very good morning on this beautiful Saturday. So this is our first friendship trip
For this year.
Yeah, so this is Karen with me.
Hi.
Oh my god, it's not him. Yeah, and Karen's husband's there. So we are now in Nikko and it's almost lunchtime, so we're stopping to get some Yuba, which is the specialty for Nikko area. Right, so this is the restaurant. Let's go in and check it out. Okay, so our food is here and we are having soba at this place. Of course, it's a specialty. So I'm having Yuba is the specialty. So I'm having Yuba soba, and Nora is having Yuba hot one. Kristine is having udon.
A hot one.
Hot one. Okay, Karen and Ryohei is having their
Yuba Kegon.
Kegon. Okay, specialty
Set meal.
set meal. Right.
So this is only their first serving. We have more.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna enjoy our lunch.
Hold on. This is the specialty milk. It's not sweet, but it'll be better with sweet because I love sweet.
The soy milk. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh, and they have desserts also. Right.
Your dessert?
No, Kristine's. Oh yeah, our nari. So we're gonna enjoy our meal. Itadakimasu. Yeah, so once it's cooked right, you'll have a layer of yuba on top.
And then you just eat like that.
Yeah, I will eat the Yuba.
Then after that, what do you do?
I will put this vegetable.
Oh, so put it everything in like just like we were here did.
It's like a yuba shabu shabu. No, hot pot yuba nabe. So Ryohei got the set meal, and it comes with all these side dishes with yuba.
It looks so tempting.
Wow. Okay, and here comes Karen's one. Okay, so the restaurant's on the second floor, and on the first floor we have the omiyage store, and it's quite nice, very Japanese style, authentic. Anyway, we're getting this because we love it so much. That's the cashier. I think this is the cashier.
There's the staff.
Okay, so it's almost 2 o'clock. I think after this we're gonna head to the next destination, what we're here for, right? So catch you there. Alright, we're now at the Tobu World Square, okay, in Nikko. But unfortunately, due to the heavy snow yesterday, it's closed.
Oh, it's so sad. No.
Yeah, so we'll have to skip this one and go to our next place for interest. Alright, let's go.
Kinugawa Ropeway.
Yeah. Alright, hopefully the Kinugawa Ropeway is open today. Okay, since the Tobu World Square is closed, we're here at the Kinugawa Onsen Ropeway. Okay, we're getting the tickets. It's 1,001 for adults. There's 5 of us.
1,100.
1,100, right? Yeah.
I know what I want to get for souvenir. I saw that ocarina.
You saw what?
Ocarina.
For souvenir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're getting the tickets now. I'm gonna go up. See you at the top. Alright, so we're now at the top of Kinugawa Onsen Ropeway. We are the observatory deck. Okay, and the view here is like wow. Okay, you gotta check it out. Yeah, and there's like a monkey thing there.
Yeah, the monkey is walking on the roof.
Yeah. Okay, there's a shrine at the top of Kinugawa Onsen. Okay, and then like the dragon here. So go back down. Okay, so we can also go into the monkey area, and the monkey has a baby.
And I think he's feeding the baby. Right.
I think. Wow. Okay. Then there's also like a group of monkeys here.
Carrot. Baby with the baby. Feeding. This one.
So the entrance to this monkey place is included in the tickets, which is 1,100.
No!
Kristine, catch!
Are you sure nobody peed on that?
Okay, so we're staying at this place for the night. Forgot the name, but I'll tell you later. It looks like there's only one floor. Okay, I've already checked in. Then I came out to do this video. It's quite interesting though. Okay, this is the lounge. Okay, and that's Kristine and Nora. And this is the reception. Like I said, we already checked in. And the interesting part is, this is the 6th floor. It's overlooking Kinugawa River or Kinugawa. It's gonna be sunset soon. Okay, the reception is on the 6th floor, and the onsen is on the 2nd floor. So there are like 5 floors below us. Okay. So we're gonna check into the rooms first, drop our bags, and then we're gonna head out and have dinner. So this is the room 713. The door's a bit low. Oh, it's a traditional Japanese room. Okay, I'll need to take out my shoe first before I enter. Okay, so this is the room. See what's behind here. It's quite dark. Okay, so there's a chair here, another chair here, overlooking the river. Right, so we just finished our dinner and we are outside Kinugawa Onsen station. There is basically nobody around except for us. Okay, and the station is actually very lively with the Christmas tree and all the light up. But there's really not a single soul except for these 5 souls around here, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna head to the family mart or convenience store. I think there was Lawson earlier, and get some snacks and tidbits to go back to the hotel. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll catch you next video.